Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. So पहले से हम बता देते हैं because we are starting with uh, bipolar non returned zero. तो bipolar में क्या होता है? Zero is represented by zero and one is represented by two pulses, either minus A or plus A, depending upon the occurrence of the plus one in the message. So 0 and 1 में probability होगा half and half and 1 के लिए again probability 50%, so 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 for plus A, 1 by 4 is for minus A. So probability of AK is equal to A is 1 by 4, probability of AK is equal to 0 will be 1 by 2, probability of AK is equal to minus A, that is 1 by 4. Means this and this, AK is equal to A and AK is equal to minus A, basically they are representing logic 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 half, दो 1 के लिए and 0 के लिए half, so total probability is unity. Now considering n is equal to 0, so AK into AK minus n is equal to 0, so AK square, so that should be A square into 1 by 4 minus A the whole square into 1 by 4 plus 0 into 0 square into half. So 0 square into half means that will gone. So A square by 4 plus A square by 4. So 2A square by 4. So A square by 2. So n is equal to 0, we got A square by 2. Now we are considering okay. Now इस n is equal to 1 के लिए क्या होगा? जैसे मैंने तुमको दिखा रहा था, हम दिखाया था यहाँ पे. So देखो for n is equal to 1. So AK minus n, AK minus 1, 0, 0, 2 bit हो गया, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So all are 0. But A 1, 1 के लिए क्या होगा? This 1 के लिए A, this 1 के लिए minus A, तो minus A square. So 0, 0, 0, minus A square are the combinations. Okay, for n is equal to 1. So that's why देखो what are the combinations? 0, 0, 0, 1 means 0, 0, 0, minus A square. Okay. तो AK into AK minus 1 क्या होगा? 3 into 0 into 1 by 4, because यहाँ पे how much zeros are there? 4 zeros, 3 zeros are there. 0, 0, 0. That's why 3 into 0 into that and probability कितना होगा? Probability 1/4 होगा क्योंकि 4 combinations are there. So equal probability. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. All are having the probability of 1 by 4 because these four 0, 0, 0 and minus A square all are having the same probability. Total probability is 1. So probability of individual should be 1 by 4 individual. Okay, so 1 by 4 is the probability of individual occurrence. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So that's why we have taken the probability of individual terms 1 by 4. So 3 into 0, 3 zeros are there. 3 into 0, 1 by 4 plus जो मैंने बोला था minus A square into 1 by 4. So minus A square by 4. So we got autocorrelation factor for n is equal to 1 is how much? Minus A square by 4. Now further we are going for n greater than 1. Okay, n is equal to 1 तो हो गया. Now I am considering n is equal to n is greater than 1. Okay, so now consider n is equal to 2. So when n is equal to 2, let us go to the whiteboard. Make it clear. So when n is equal to 2, so n is equal to 2 means how many combinations are there? AK, this is AK minus 1, AK minus 2. How much combinations are there? 3 combinations are there. So it should be 0, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then lastly 1, 1. So now what should be the product? N is equal to 2. So that means AK into ak minus 2, isn't? So make the product. Okay, make the product. So ak क्या है? 0 है. So 0 k minus 2 में क्या है? देखो 0, ak is equal to 0, ak minus 2 0. So 0 into 0, how much? 0. यहाँ पे देखो ak minus 2 is 0, but this is 1. So 0 into 1, again 0. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? This is 0, this is 0. So 0 into 0, again 0. Again this is 0, this is 1. So 0 into 1, that is 0. Again यहाँ पे 1, this is 0. So that will give you 1 into 0, so 0. Again यहाँ पे देखो, this is 1, this is 1. So क्या होगा देखो, बाइपोलर है. So this one के लिए a into this one के लिए क्या होगा? माइनस. कंजुगेटिव 1 है, इसलिए क्या हो गया? माइनस स्क्वायर. नो वन इज देयर. लेट मी इन बोल रहा है. तो देखो, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1. सो a माइनस स्क्वायर. ना फिर यहाँ पे देखो, दिस इज 1, 1 0 1 हो गया. सो 1 1 0. सो दिस इज 1 into 0, again 0. नाउ दिस इज लास्ट में क्या है? 1 1, isn't it? 1 1. ओके, 1 1. सो 1 1 1. ठीक है, क्या होगा देखो. सो 1 1 1 क्या होगा देखो, ये बोलो. दिस वन is positive a, then this negative, this is again positive. So a into a, that is a square. Okay, so now देखो क्या मिला. सॉरी, देखो क्या मिला. देखो, this is 0, 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 this is 0. Now this is minus a square, this is plus a square. So minus a square अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा? प्लस स्क्वायर हो तो लास्ट में आ जाएगा, दैट मीन 0. So ultimately for n greater than 0, सॉरी n greater than 1, दैट मीन्स n is equal to 2 से शुरू करके जितना वैल्यू आएगा, टोटल एक्सपेक्टेशन वो जो होगा e of ak into ak minus n जो है, that would be 0. As I have seen, I have shown you, because 3 bits है, ak minus 1, ak minus 2, 8 combinations are there. So multiplication of ak minus 2 into ak, or ak into ak minus 2, between these two, the multiplication, we got 8 multiplication here, and you sum them, will get the result 0. That's why for n greater than 1, it is 0. Getting my point? Is it clear to you? देखो फर्क
सर
क्या है. हाँ बोलो.
सर ये -1 और +1 कैसे लिए, ये समझ में नहीं आया.
ओके, वेरी गुड. देखो, ये देखो, ये वाला, ये माइनस स्क्वायर ऐसे आ गया. देखो 1 0 1 है ना. तो दिस वन के लिए प्लस है, 0 0, एंड दिस वन के लिए क्या होगा? रिप्रेजेंट करोगे माइनस है. ऑल्टरनेटिव 1. यहाँ पे देखो 3 1 है, 1 2 3 7 है, इसलिए ए, दूसरा ए क्या होगा, ये माइनस ए होगा, तीसरा 1 क्या होगा, प्लस ए होगा। सो हम क्या प्रोडक्ट कर रहे हैं, एक ए के साथ ए के माइनस 2, तो ए के क्या है, ए है, ए के माइनस 2 क्या है, ए है, इसलिए ए इंटू ए स्क्वायर। समझ गए?
यस सर।
Okay. So this is the case. If you have any doubt, so I can clear your doubt. If I am telling you that I can clear your doubt if you have any doubts. So now move to
सर
the
सर
hmm,
सर यहाँ पे जैसे 0 1 1 है, तो वहां पे भी तो ए और माइनस ए आ सकता है
0 1 1
1 1 में।
0 1 1 में ना, देखो 0 1 1 है ना, 0 1 1, तो ये 0 है, ये माइनस है, सॉरी ये प्लस है, ये माइनस है, ठीक है। लेकिन तुम किसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, ए के माइनस 2 से ए के, you are not multiplying ak with ak minus 1. So this is ak,
यस सर।
this is ak minus 1, this is ak minus 2. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, 0 है, यहाँ पे क्या है, माइनस है, तो 0 इंटू माइनस है 0 होगा, इसलिए 0 1 1 में ये क्या हो गया, दैट इज ऑल्सो 0, दिस इज 0 एंड दिस इज 1, 0 है ना, तो 0 के साथ तुम जो मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, तो इसलिए ये 0 हो गया। देखो ए के माइनस 2 इंटू ए के, सोचो ए के इंटू ए के माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, ए के साथ ए के माइनस 2, ओके, बिकॉज एन इज इक्वल टू 2 है, करेक्ट, बिकॉज ए के इंटू ए के माइनस एन, ये फॉर्मूला है, दिस प्रोडक्ट, व्हेन एन इज इक्वल टू 2, तो क्या हो गया, ए के इंटू ए के माइनस 2, लेकिन तुमको क्या, कितना पैरामीटर मिल गया, 3 पैरामीटर मिल गया, ए के माइनस 1 बीच में है और ए के माइनस 2 है, इसलिए 3 कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया, 0 0 से 1 1 1 तक, लेकिन मल्टीप्लाई होगा इसके साथ इसका, इसका नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ए के माइनस तो हो गया पहले और एन इक्वल टू 1 था, ओके, लेकिन अब मल्टीप्लाई होगा ए के माइनस 2 से ए के। नाउ इफ यू कंसीडर एन इक्वल टू 3, तो क्या होगा, एक के साथ एक के माइनस 3 का मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इन दैट केस हाउ मेनी कॉम्बिनेशन वुड बी देयर, 4 कॉम्बिनेशन, ए के माइनस 1, ए के माइनस 2 एंड ए के माइनस 3, हाउ मेनी कॉम्बिनेशन, फ्रॉम 0 0 0 टू 1 1 1, लेकिन करने का कोई जरूरी नहीं है, एन इक्वल 2 में जब 0 आ गया ना, 3 में भी 0 आ जाएगा, ओके, इसलिए क्लियर?
यस सर।
Okay. और किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो। तो इसलिए देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने दिखा दिया, टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड, बुक में नहीं है, किताब में ही है, डिटेल में नहीं है, जो मैंने ब्लैक बोर्ड में व्हाइट बोर्ड में दिखाया तुमको, वो भी नोट्स में भी हम दिखा रहे हैं। सो 0 0 0, देखो यहाँ पे a इंटू माइनस माइनस स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे a इंटू a प्लस स्क्वायर, सो ऑल विल बी वेनिश, दैट्स व्हाई e ऑफ ak into ak minus 2, देखो मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या है, ak into ak minus 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 0। सो अल्टीमेटली ऑटो कोरिलेशन फैक्टर a square by 2 n is equal to 0 minus a square by 4 for n is equal to plus minus 1 and 0 for n greater than 1। सो pf ये फिक्स्ड है, tb सिंक ftb, वो जो फॉर्मूला है, तो दो पार्ट हम यहाँ पे बैठा दिया, we have put it here, then ultimately simple multiplication and arithmetical logic operations are there, simple simplification is there, nothing more than that, simple mathematics is there. Okay, and you people know that 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta, 1 minus, ये अभी देखो आ गया, 1 minus cos of theta, ये मान लो थीटा, cos 2 pi ftb ये थीटा, 1 minus cos theta, फॉर्मूला क्या है, 2 sin square theta, यहाँ पे 1 plus cos 2 theta होता तो क्या होता, 2 cos square theta। So these are 10 plus 2 standard calculations. So ultimately we got that expression. This is for polar, this is for bipolar non-return to 0. If it is return to 0, then whatever the TV, whatever in position में जो position में TV है, you place all the TV with TV by 2. So in that case, it should be a square TV by 2, sin square f TV by 2, sin square pi f TV by 2. That would be for your return to 0. So this is all about your line coding and its property and the power spectral densities. Now we'll move to the digital communication techniques. We are having several digital communication techniques, so we'll move there. So as you know, in the case of analog communication systems, we are having amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation. If the amplitude of the carrier, okay, changes in accordance with the instantaneous value of the resonant signal on the modulating signal, then it is called the amplitude modulation. If the frequency of the carrier wave changes in accordance with the instantaneous value of the modulating signal, then it is called frequency modulation. If the phase of the carrier changes in accordance with the instantaneous value of the modulating signal, then it is called phase modulation. So in that case, both the modulating signal and the carrier are in the form of analog. As you know here, the baseband signal is digitized by means of source coding techniques. That means either it may be PCM, TPCM, DM, ADM as per your choice. Then we go for line coding techniques to have the digital data pulses. After that, we are sending this digital data into the digital modulator circuit. Over there, we are having so many digital modulation techniques. We may adapt any one of them. We'll discuss here one by one. So the first thing is that ASK, the second thing is that FSK, and third one is the PSK, and after that we are having QPSK, DPSK, DEPSK, MSK. Okay. So lots of digital modulation techniques are there. We will cover one by one. Don't worry, be cool, be happy, be with me, study well, found any difficulties, ask me, call me, we'll clear your doubt. So the first thing is that ASK, amplitude modulation, amplitude shifting. Okay. So in this case, in amplitude shifting, so amplitude shift king means varying actually. So in this case, amplitude of the carrier will change like your aim, but it is in the form of digitized case. So we know that high, low, true, false, on, off, 0, 1. These are the conditions for the discrete signal or the digital cases. So here, when we will send 1, that means you are sending the carrier. When you are sending 0, that means we are sending carrier, 0 frequency. That means no signal available. So what is that? That means you are sending frequency, carrier frequency. That means you are sending logic 1. If you are sending 0 frequency, that means it's a 0. So that's why it is like a on and off, 1 and 0, on and off. So sometimes amplitude shifting also called on off king, that is OOK. Okay, OOK. So come to the block diagram representation of the amplitude shifting. So this is the multiplier circuit. Okay. So this is a multiplier circuit. So sometimes balance modulator also works as multiplier circuit, as you know in the case of DSBSC systems. When the carrier wave and the modulating signal both are multiplied, that is nothing but a DSBSC signal where the double sideman is existing but the carrier is removed. So here is a multiplier. One input is as our last class in the laboratory work, we have seen that in the case of PSK, I mentioned you. So not only PSK, ASK or FSK, any sort of communication systems, we need two signals. One is your carrier and the other is your baseband signal. In the digital communication system, so one signal, the baseband, it should be digitized and the carrier is itself analog. So here the input signal is a binary data. I mentioned here is a binary data, that's 101010, or maybe any sort of form. Okay, now this is the carrier wave. Okay, this is the carrier wave, that is AC cos omega CT. AC cos omega CT. Okay, so it's a binary data and they are multiplied from ultimately from the multiplier output we are getting the ASK waveform. So we are simply multiplying modulating signal with the carrier. We are simply multiplying the baseband signal, that is digital data, the binary data, with the carrier wave. Ultimately, we are getting the OOK, on off key. So see here, this is your carrier wave. Okay, the waveform representations. So this is your carrier wave. Okay, so this is carrier wave, and this is your baseband signal, the modulating signal. That is 10110. Okay, so not necessarily you take this data 10110. You can choose as your own. Okay, obviously you choose different one and try to give the pictorial view. Okay, so the thing is that this is TB is the bit duration, the TB time it is on, TB time it is off. Okay, so now देखो यहाँ पे when the data is present, that means you are sending the frequency. Okay, okay, this is the data is sending. When this is 0, so no signal is available. Again this is 1 1, so देखो the frequency is available. Again 0 is there. So this is on off, on off. So that's why it is also called on off keying. So ASK waveform. So that means देखो when the carrier is present, that means we are assuming that it's a 1. When the carrier is absent, so we are assuming that it's a 0. In that way, at the receiver we are detecting the baseband signal once again from the ASK waveform. Okay, so this is the waveform representations, okay, of the carrier and the baseband signal and the ASK modulated wave. I have shown the simple block diagram representation. I am not going into the actual circuitry. You need not to go there also. Okay, so this is a block diagram representation. That is the concept you have to brought up here. Your concept should be clear here. So this is a simple multiplication circuit is there, and that the output we are getting the ASK wave. Now we are coming to the mathematical representation of the ASK waveform. The ASK waveform is represented as the ST is equal to root over 2ps cos 2 pi FCT when we are transmitting 1, and ST is equal to 0 when we are sending 0. Okay, so why it is root 2ps? Why it is root 2ps? We know power is equal to m square by 2. Okay, because R is equal to 1 ohms for normalized power. We know that V square by R is power. Okay, now यहाँ पे AC केस है, because the signal is fluctuating. So क्या होगा, V RMS square by R. Okay, but R is 1 unit here, so V RMS square, isn't it? I have told you earlier V RMS square. Okay, now V RMS and peak value, what is the relation? Now V RMS is nothing but Vm by root 2. Okay, so Vm by root 2. So here we don't have Vm, here we are having Am. So now Vm is equal to Am here, because Am or AC, whatever. So ultimately, here carrier wave, so you can say AC, you can say AC. Okay, Vm is equal to AC. So power is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? VRMS means Vm by root 2. Okay, इसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. Okay, so Vm means यहाँ पे क्या है? AC है. So AC by root 2 whole square, R is 1. So क्या मिला? AC square by 2. So what is AC square? 2 into power. Okay. So what is AC? Root over square root of 2p. Okay. So square root of 2p. Clear? So that's why क्या है देखो, square root of 2p. 2p as it is signal, so suffix you can give square root of 2ps. So that's why just we are representing amplitude in the form of hour. If you want to write here AC, then also no problem. So when we are sending one, that is ST is the ASK waveform expression. ST is equal to root 2 PS cos 2 pi FCT. When we are sending one, and this is 0 when we are sending 0. So this is all about your ASK waveform, ASK mathematical form, and ASK modulator circuit. Now we will move to the ASK detector circuit. That means you have to find out the data again. Whether you are sending 0 and 1, whether we are getting 0 and 1 or not. So in the case of detector, this is your ASK waveform, means either root 2 PS cos, okay, root 2 PS cos 2 pi FCT or 0, whatever, that means you are sending waveform here, ASK waveform is coming here. Now we are also using one carrier, that carrier frequency is same with the carrier what we have used in the transmitter, like your DSDSC detection. Coherent detection you have studied. What is the meaning of that? In the analog communication you have studied the coherent detection. The meaning is that coherent means synchronous. What does it mean by synchronous or coherent? It implies that the frequency what you have used in the transmitter, that same frequency would be used in the case of receiver also. That means their frequency and phase with time must be constant. If that happens, that means it's a synchronous or the coherent detection. So similarly, here we are using the same frequency cos 2 pi FCT here. And then again here we are using the AS waveforms. So ultimately क्या होगा? देखो, when we are sending cos 2 pi FCT, मान लो we have sent 1. So what is the frequency waveform? This is amplitude छोड़ दो, amplitude का कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Come to the frequency cos 2 pi FCT. Okay, so root 2 PS cos 2 pi FCT is the waveform. Okay, so root 2 PS cos 2 pi FCT will be here, and cos 2 pi FCT you are using as a local oscillator. So this frequency is being used from the local oscillator. So cos 2 pi FCT from the ASK waveform side, and here from the local oscillator we are getting cos 2 pi FCT. There is a multiplication. What would be the result? Cos square 2 pi FCT, isn't it? तो इतना डिटेल्स कोई नहीं बताएगा. देखो क्या हुआ बाबू, cos square, ठीक है ना. देखो cos square क्या मिला, cos square 2 pi FCT, isn't it? Cos square 2 pi FCT. Amplitude part is there, some amplitude part is there. I'm not concerning about that. I'm not having no tension about this amplitude. Okay. Now the cos square 2 pi FCT. So what will you do now? You can do half into 2 यहाँ पे. 2 to cancel out, तो क्या हो गया, 2 cos square 2 pi FCT, isn't? So you know that 2 cos square theta फॉर्मूला क्या है, 1 plus cos of 2 theta, correct? 1 plus cos theta. This is your formula. 2 cos square theta means 1 plus cos of 2 theta. Similarly, half बाहर में होगा, अंदर में क्या होगा, 2 cos square theta means क्या हो जाएगा, 1 plus cos of 2 pi into 2 FC, okay, t. Okay, so that is the case. So that means see यहाँ पे frequency क्या हो गया, frequency double हो गया, frequency double हो गया. So when this signal received signal when passed through a low pass filter, then what happens, to center frequency at FC, then what happens, as it is a 2 FC, so that frequency will be clipped off, stopped by this low pass filter. Okay. So only at the output of this low pass filter will get some DC value. Will get some DC value for this one के लिए जो part होगा. Okay. Because it's a low pass filter, so that's why this portion will be stopping. So after this multiplication circuit, multiplier circuit, we will use a low pass filter, isn't it? So that's why go to the PDF part. So it's a multiplication, that means यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा तुमको 2 cos square theta, and देखो इंटीग्रेटर इज देयर 0 to TB dt. इंटीग्रेटर का मतलब क्या है? That can be used as a low pass filter, and differentiator can be DDT. if यहाँ पे DDT होता है DDT, that means it's a differentiator. In that case it would be used as high pass filter. As you know, integrator means is a low pass filter. So that's why from this low pass filter, what will you get? Only some DC value. The 2FC frequency will be stopping here. Okay. Also, you can think by mathematically, if you don't think about the circuitry part, if you think about the mathematical expression, then also if you integrate it, because integrator is there, so you are integrating Purva. So this is integrating from minus into plus infinity. Then what happens? You know that for cos a complete period, it gives you zero value. So ultimately we are getting a DC value for one के लिए तुमको इंटीग्रेटर का आउटपुट में मिलेगा कुछ DC part. Okay, so you can think like low pass filter, you can think like your integrator. The concept is same because the integrator is nothing but a low pass filter. So low pass filter means the frequency which is double, that is 2FC, that will be stopping by the low pass filter. Only the DC part will be out at the output of the low pass filter. Okay, so ultimately this low pass filter sending some DC value. Okay, now that DC value is coming to the input to the